When every millimeter counts, precision isn't optional. It's critical. Since 1994, we've been delivering metalworking solutions for industries where failure is not an option. From ship repair and energy infrastructure to high-volume custom fabrication, our clients trust us to get it right every time, on time.
We started business with Diat quite a long time ago. I think it's 5-6 years ago. So Diat did for us machining job. Sometimes we have parts which are big and they are located on big equipment and cannot be dismantled. And we found Diat that it's a company on which we can rely, and we rely on this company every year. Quality of Diat work was really good. In our business, quality is the main factor. If you don't have quality, you will never be asked to do a job. If we are doing job every year, so quality is really good. Flexibility, communication, delivery on time, just human things which makes everybody happy.
Firma Diat piedalās regulāri mūsu rīkotajos konkursos uz remontu darbiem. Tāda izmēra kuģa velvēm un dzenskrūvēm un stūres baleriem nav daudz kompānijas, kas uzņemās šāds darbus un var kvalitatīvi viņus veikt. Ko gribētos uzsvērt viņu mieru saspringtās situācijās, un teiksim tie, kas ar viņiem veidos sadarbību, to sapratīs jau no pirmās reizes vai pirms remonta sākuma. Kā firma Diat attiecās pret darbu, kā viņi izpēta objektus pirms konkursiem, kā viņi gatavojās tam visam, kā viņi meklē komandu, kas viņiem tos darbus veiks. Tie, kas izdomā sadarboties ar firmu Diat, nekad nebūs zaudētāji. Šie cilvēki iegūs vienu partneri, ar ko sadarboties nākotnē, un ieteikt arī saviem kolēģiem un citiem biznesa pārstāvjiem šajā nozarē, jo firma Diat ir uzticams partneris.
Whether at our fully equipped facilities in Riga or directly on your site, our experienced team handles various kinds of mechanical machining services with total control and zero compromise. Backed by global experience and our own logistics, we bring industrial capability exactly where it's needed. Need a partner who delivers precision under pressure? Choose us.